a random question. Like, do you think that AI is a threat to education? Like, do you believe it that AI is actually a threat to education, or is it empowering and bridging the gaps?
That's a beautiful question. Let me support your question with another question. Let's assume you like jackfruit. Okay. Everyone knows jackfruits, right? Yummy, and it is very soft. I would love to eat 10 jackfruits. You love jackfruit so much that you'll end up eating a whole jackfruit, and then another jackfruit, and then another jackfruit. What happens? So you get suffocated, you can't breathe, and you will lose your taste for jackfruit. Probably you will never have a jackfruit after that kind of a critical
Yes.
situation later in your life. So it's about how you use it. So AI is a brilliant invention. It has been supportive. It is trying to give us a lot of developmental, future. But how do we use AI? In places where we have creativity in place, if you put AI there, what happens? Our brain rusts. So I would strongly suggest you do not use AI in places where your imagination has to prosper, in places where your creativity has to develop. For example, writing. So it's very easy to cut, copy, paste, and do some plagiarism work, and also, smartly change some grammar inside so that no one finds out that you have cut, copy, paste, or used an AI. But what happens? You are killing your own imagination.
Yes.
Try writing a paragraph of something that you feel from the bottom of your heart. If you want to convey gratitude to Father, or say thanks to your friend who has been supportive and loving, try to write a whole paragraph forming your own sentences and full of emotions. Trust me, the moment you finish writing the paragraph, you will feel so happy. You'll feel as if you have expressed something very vibrant, and you feel like you've created the best poetry ever. This feeling you will never get while you use a chat GPT.
Yes.
When chat GPT does the work for you, you never understand the depth of it. And the reader is also going to know that there is no life in what you have written. So, yeah, that's what AI is. It's a blessing in disguise, actually.